Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Waddle back with a brand new video. Obviously, if we're on the vlog cam, we are going geocaching again. So earlier today I solved a puzzle which really stumped me. I followed a red herring. If you don't know what a red herring is, it's basically a set of clues that are meant to stump you. It's not really meant to be solved. Like, it's a set of fake clues meant to buy time so you don't get to the real clue. So I followed red herrings for like 10 minutes until I actually got the correct coordinates for this. So we're heading to it right now. It's at the parking lot of a Target, which we're on our way to right now. And I'm guessing this is just the typical lamppost hide cache where it's just on one of these random posts and we gotta go find it. So we're on our way to that right now, and hopefully we could find it. And hopefully, I can't speak. I don't know. We're on our way right now. We're currently in the parking lot looking for the lamppost, and I'll let you know when we get there. Alright guys, so we're at ground zero. There's a little problem though. There are a lot, and I mean a lot, and I really mean a lot of people nearby in their cars, just chilling right next to ground zero. So we're gonna wait it out, and we'll let you guys know when I go get it.
Look at that, someone's actually driving that. I guess if you live here.
Yo, look at that, what the heck?
I guess if you live here, that's okay.
Yeah. I found the pill bottle. I hope this is it. And it is! We found the little cache in ibuprofen Rite Aid. Wow. That's pretty cool. Nice little hide. My very first skirt cache. And that's actually pretty interesting. So we ended up getting the coordinates wrong. We got to the actual lamppost now, right in front of places. And yeah, here obviously we have the little logbook. Nice little logbook. A little bit filled. That's pretty cool. And inside we have a nice little coin, it appears like. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sign this log and mark this as a find. As usual, we drew Waddle and the little tiny really bad pig, and we're gonna go ahead, put this log back and return it to where we found it. You think we could fit a pig in here?
Try it. No.
No, we can't. We can't fit a pig. I'm sorry, but this pig is gonna have to wait for another cache. We're gonna go ahead and return this pill bottle. And with that, we'll move on to the next cache. Alright guys, so we are currently around ground zero number 2 for today. It is in this area. There are a little bit of muggles, but I'm gonna walk down this bike path and I'm gonna let you guys know if I find it. I think it's somewhere down here, so we're gonna go and look. I'll give my dad the camera and I'll let you know if we find it. Look at this video. You guys need to see this. So, alright, it looks just like an ordinary metal plate, right? But on the inside, it is a wonderful geocache. That is crazy. I've always seen these in YouTube videos, and I've never seen one in real life. Look at that, it's magnetic, and it fits perfectly. Nice little, and then official geocache right there, and a nice little logbook. Wow, that is honestly probably one of my favorite finds. Since this obviously is a flat one, we can't really fit a little pig in here, but we're gonna go ahead and sign the log. Someone left some cash. This is fake. This has to be fake. $100 bill. Guys, I really don't think this is real. We're not gonna take it. I don't think someone would leave. Would someone really leave $100 here? What do we do?
Sign it. Leave it.
Alright, we'll leave the $100 there. Alright, so we drew Waddle, a little tiny pig, wrote the date. we're gonna go ahead and return this to where we found it, and see you guys later. Well, I'll see you guys at the next one. Alright guys, it is a wonderful day right now. It is very sunny, very nice weather. We're gonna go ahead and get some boba and just relax for a little bit before we head to the next cache. We secured the boba, boys. Alright guys, we are currently on the way to our next cache, which is located in a police station. I think they're gonna arrest me for trying to take a counterfeit $100 bill. But anyways, we're on our way there. We are looking for an ammo box, so this is gonna be the biggest cache I've ever found. And yeah, let's go on our way, sip some boba. I love T-Pump so much. Not an ad, by the way, I'm not sponsored, sadly. But we're on our way there, and I'll see you when we get there. Woo! Alright guys, we are here at the police station. We are looking for an ammo container. Once again, this is gonna be the, if we find this, this is the biggest cache I've ever found. But we are at the police station. Hopefully I don't get arrested for that $100 bill. But we're gonna be looking for this one. It's a huge ammo container. We can't miss it. We're gonna be walking around. And yeah, let's go find ourselves a cache. Alright guys, we are looking in the bushes. We are looking everywhere for a giant ammo container. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. There it is, boys. We have found the ammo container, and we have the geocache. All right, guys, I have never seen a geocache this big. Obviously, this geocache is sponsored by the FCPD, and we're gonna go ahead and open up and see what is inside this. Cool to open on the cache. Wow. Here is our logbook, of course. We have nice little Captain America. Lots of different flyers and stuff in here. Lots of different things. A lot of knickknacks. Lots of different stickers. We're gonna go ahead and take a sticker. Other stuff like that. We, of course, are going to leave. Since we're taking a sticker, we're leaving a little pig. Dropped it. We're leaving a little pig for someone to find inside this. Now we're gonna go ahead and sign this logbook. And yeah. So we're gonna go ahead, since this is big, we're gonna take up a whole page.
They want your name, your number.
Yeah, they're gonna take my name, all my details. They're gonna track me down. All right, there we go, guys. We have signed it. Waddle, little pig right there. Oink, oink, got the date. And we're gonna go ahead and put this back inside the bag. Nice little cache, huge cache. In a place like you never even know. That's really cool. We're gonna go ahead and close this. We are gonna move on to the next one. As always, every time you find a cache, make sure to disinfect. I don't think I brought gloves today, so disinfect using wet wipes or like any antibacterial stuff you got. Make sure to clean up after yourself. Take care of yourself. Geocaching is fun. Stay safe. All right, guys, we're currently on the way to the next cache of the day. It appears to be like a nice little neighborhood, and in the middle of this nice little neighborhood, there's a small tiny park, and in that small tiny park, there's actually a cache. So we're gonna go ahead and walk in the cache. We're not gonna go through any of these houses because obviously we don't live here, but we're gonna go find this cache. So the clue for this is, this may look a little out of season when you see it. So we're gonna be looking around the tree. Anything suspicious? The clue for this one was to take a seat, and it may look out of place depending on the season. And obviously, since it is summer right now, it is very sunny. But if we look around, let's see if you could spot the geocache. Do 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 do. What is this pine cone? This is a pretty suspicious looking pine cone, if you ask me. And voila, official geocache. Go ahead and open this up and see what's in it. It's pretty hefty. Has a decent amount of weight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and open up, and here we have a nice little container. A container inside a container. What a wonderful way to hide a container. And inside we have a nice little scrunched up logbook. Here we go. We have a nice little logbook. Wow, it is pretty filled. Inside you can see all the names in there. On the back it talks about geocaching and how this is an official geocache. We're gonna go ahead and sign it and return it. Alright, there you go. We went ahead and signed the little pig. It is a little hard to write because the cash is so wrinkly, but we're gonna go and fold it up, roll it up, and return it back to where we found it. Cool little cash for today. Nice little pine cone. If I can roll it up properly. Oh, there you go. We were able to do that. Now, open this back up. Put it in the little container we found it in. And we put it back. Right where we found it. All right, guys, we are at ground zero for the next location. Here is ground zero. It's like some trees, I don't know what it is, but here we have from what I read from the geocache, this used to be a beautiful lake, but sadly it's dried up. This used to be full of water. Would have been really nice to see some water here. But anyways, we are looking for a geocache now. Just hanging around, waiting to be found is the clue. I don't know what we're looking for. Alright guys, we're currently on our way to the second cache in this park because the first one gave us a little bit of trouble. So we are going to the next one, clearing our minds for a little bit, and then going back to the first one because we did get a little bit of weird looks, and see if we can find the second one. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here around ground zero. The clue is no feeding, and I see a sign right here that says, please do not feed the birds. Pretty suspicious. We're gonna go ahead and check what's behind this sign. See if there's any, oh, nothing behind the sign. Whoa, there's nothing behind the sign. So we couldn't find the other one. So we went back to this original tree location, and this is an evil, evil cache. So we've been looking, right? We were looking all around, we were looking on, I'm on the other side of the fence, yo. This is ground zero, I'm on the other side of the fence, where the hell? And I was just looking, down to this fence, down. I was so confused, I was ready to give up. I told my dad I was sad because I couldn't find this cache. And literally, it's right in front of our face, look at this. You see this thin little string. Oh my God, what an evil cache. That's super evil. That, literally evil. I didn't even have to go to the other side, I could have been there. Of course, we have the logbook. I'm not too happy about this one because this one was evil. This one, oh my God. Look, a little straw. Keep it inside. Obviously, here we go. We have the logbook. And now we're gonna go ahead and write our name on this log, this evil little log. All right. I want to go ahead, put Waddle. I did not put the pig because of how evil this is. I don't want to put a pig. I don't want to even remember this one. I want to go home. I want to eat some food. I want to sleep. I want to forget this log ever, this cache ever existed. All right, guys. I'm done with geocaching today. You don't understand how frustrated I am at that last one. We spent 15 minutes there, random people looking at us, and we were just like, you know what? Let's go to the other one. And we'll come back. So we went to the other one, we couldn't find the other one, and then we were like, you know what? Let's go back, like real quick, and then let's go home. So then I went there, we searched for another 5-10 minutes, and I was really about to give up. And then I checked the fence, I saw a string, and I got mad because we spent so much time there. And just for a string, which I should have seen before. And it's just like, oh, pain. That's all I have to say is pain. But we're gonna go ahead and get some armadillo willies now, just chill out for the rest of the day. Yeah, we're gonna go back to that park to find the other cache because I have a feeling it's hid the same way because it's hid by the same person. And yeah, I'm done with geocaching today. I'll see you guys at the barbecue. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this geocaching video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We found a lot of good caches today. That last one was extremely evil. And whoever hit that, I'm watching you, buddy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.